Okay, so I got me a nice new hat. Teal is the color of my people. They always love it. It just means water. Water is life. So just want to let you know I'm here. So I was looking at this thing, and I was looking at the mud flood. And I was like, you wouldn't build it like this. There's nothing down there. Oh, see the metal? And I talked to the park ranger, and he was cool. He didn't report me. Law enforcement did not come get me. This is the top of the lighthouse. And the thing they show you in the picture, I think you're going to appreciate this. I think everyone else. See, they're walking right there. There is stuff there. It's just buried there. But under the moat, there's an underground city. I mean, just fascinating. And yeah, we do like the old school photos. Hey, check out this. Look at that. What was that? See, what they did is they just separated us. They separated all the races and said this race is that. Come on now. Really? You're running away, freedom ahead? You're in the South, buddy. You do know you're in the South, right? That would not be freedom, according to the official narrative. But this device that you're looking at, and it makes perfect sense why it's not too far away, because that's a heavy piece of metal. Whatever this thing actually is, because it's been shattered, it was all metal. So it must have been like, I don't know, maybe an energy weapon, who knows. But this device, thank God for this picture. You see the water? I think what we're looking at, we're still in the lake bed. Under the water, okay, this was under the water. So the water has receded greatly. And this thing right here, it was up there. And this was on top. And there you go. Bada bing, bada boom. So, yeah, and of course the military would be the ones in control of the propaganda. But I think most people in the military, Freemason or not, realizes 0.3% survival rate is not a good survival rate for the entire world. When if everybody knew what was going on, we could all plan, where should we go? You don't want to be in these locations. It could just be a giant wave, but look at this. This thing and had that thing, and this was all underwater, okay? So I'm going to show you where I am, and it's still buried. Okay, so here's the mud flood. If you're having deja vu, well, we all died in the mud floods. And we came to here and we couldn't get up there, but this was all under mud except the top, as in the picture. So this used to be a lake bed or a lagoon, and all that got mud flooded too. They dropped the nuke, okay? We see it was here. We're in the same spot. The trees have all changed, but we're in the same spot. So go do your own research, go do your own videos, call these guys up and say, hey, you're living off my welfare. Every time I buy a candy bar, a car, a beer, pay taxes, I'm paying you to give me the truth. Not buffalo wings, although I do like them buffalo wings at Taco Mac. That was awesome. So there you go. This is the same location. That was underwater. These will be short. Download them, save them, put them on your DVDs, put them in your time capsules. Okay, hang in there. Do your best to be you. Later.